welcome to Island Bound. Sorry Bex man, this was not my plan. We're G'd up, check this out. The water's too shallow to jump off it right now, but we're gonna have to do it anyway. Whoa! See ya! If you got time to visit one waterfall in the Philippines, it's got to be this one. We don't go by the rules. We're at Snorkelling Island. Alrighty, we have just made it. Dodgy as plane, but very interesting. First propeller plane done. It's okay. Alrighty, we have landed at the next place, New Island. Donut King's here. We're gonna have a quick donut and then on the road. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! We're gonna have that.
So yesterday we arrived at CEBU Airport, which is another island about an hour away from Boracay, which is where we were for the last 5 nights. And yes, we arrived here, we got a taxi, and it was about a 3-hour drive to the suburb of Moalboal, which is where we're staying in CEBU, and it is absolutely beautiful here. So today we're going to do some exploring and show you guys everything we get up to, but I really wanted to show you the resort we're staying at. It's called Parrot Resort and it's super cute. Couldn't really tell what it was going to look like based off the photos on booking.com, but it's really cool. So yeah, I will give you a quick look. I'm not going to show you the room because it is quite messy at the moment, but we do have a really big bed, which is an absolute plus. It is so nice having a nice big bed. As you know, we're traveling Australia, we don't get that kind of luxury, so it's really nice to have it for a little while. But yeah, I will show you the resort.
Oh, I'll tell them to wash it. Yeah.
Just show them around the resort. Got a nice pool here. There's a gym right there, which we're going to check out this afternoon. Gym in there. Some parrots. Hello. Table tennis. Some more parrots. Bar. We ate dinner here last night. It was so delicious. And then there's more parrots and billiards over there. So yeah, pretty cool. Nathan's just gone to get our washing because they do that here as well. And they've even got massages, which is really sick. Oh, and I cannot forget to mention, as you guys know we love it, they have included breakfast here. So we just had a really nice buffet breakfast.
3 omelets, pancakes, everything.
It was really good. But yeah, boys just rented scooters. How much is it here for scooters per day?
It is 130
pesos. So
about probably like
$13. No.
No? Yeah.
130.
Yeah.
I will write what it is on the screen because it's not that much. It's not $13. But anyway, maybe it is. We'll find out. So pretty, hey? So we just put into a cafe called Shaka. Looks pretty good. Struggling to get a bag on. See how we go.
That's so cool. Face it that way. Look, that's the bottom of the flower. Oh yeah, that's the bottom of the flower. Oh yeah.
Oh my god! Wow.
Sick.
It's a pink rocket.
I love it.
What are we on? Blue.
We are on blue balls. Blue balls.
Hello.
Slow. Be slow and tired.
Hey, puppy. hours. So we've just arrived at White Beach. Corey's taken us to White Beach. We followed him and paid for our parking, and now we're gonna go see what the hype's about and try and find the beach. We've parked at this cafe, which we're gonna go check out. And yeah,
go for a swim.
Go for a nice swim.
Stay tuned.
Get some cool flicks, and yeah, stay tuned.
Alrighty guys, if you're seeing some spastics out there with weird goggles, I'm sure it's not us. We got the little cheap $5 ones for our trip. Just at a random little Philippine store, and they're actually unreal, but they look like snowball goggles. Check it out.
So pretty. Coingo. Slate. No, it comes with wedges.
Come back here.
Can I please get the chicken? Yeah, wrap. And does that come with chips as well? Oh, cooked. Right, well, now I'm not feeling very safe.
Is that bigger?
Corey, do something funny.
Can I get a plan?
Hoya! Get up! Alright, we are now 4 drivers, mate. Sorry, Beck's mum, this was not my plan. Yeah, Chicky. Yeah. We made it to the top of the hill and look who we found. Yeah, puppy. Yeah. Oh, so cute.
We saw the puppies.
You can hear everyone screaming.
I know, how good. We made it to the top or what?
Made it to the top, time to head down.
Yeah.
Can hear the screams in the distance.
So good.
That's gonna be Lexi and Bexy soon.
Alrighty. With the canyoneering, we've got this tour. So where you have to pretty much, it's like an obstacle course, but you jump from a cliff into the water, then you take the rapids down, down the rapid, you take the rapids down until you get to the next section, and then pretty much you have different little things until you get to the very bottom. So you'll see how it looks in the next clips. So you have to jump from this little thing here, but that's not exciting, and why would you want to watch this channel if we do it from there? So we've convinced the boys with a bit of barter that we want to jump off this big platform that apparently is the water's too shallow to jump off it right now, but we're going to do it anyway, so. Yo! Hello! Hello! That's okay. Okay, how deep? Got this? Down?
You in the water?
Head down, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Santa Maria!
Oh!
See ya!
Ready, set, go! Quick, 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 quick.
Welcome to Island Bar.
Morning guys, so this morning we have decided to come and check out the whale sharks in Oslo in Cebu, Philippines. So we are here. It is absolutely ridiculously busy. Like there is just people everywhere lining up. There
So
are
many
boats after
people.
boats. Look behind me.
There's a lot of people. There's probably a good, it's what, 6 a.m. There's probably 500 people here.
Probably more.
And
Probably more.
we're the only ones with our shirt off, so everyone's looking at us, but that's not.
We're already in our bed, there's no one else here. Anyway, we're going to go enjoy our coffee and wait another 100 people till it's our turn.
Yep. Hey?
Hey! Hello!
Hey!
Hello!
G'day, mate!
Let's go, Corey. Oh, that's you.
Hey guys, we've just arrived at Tumalog Falls, which is our first waterfall of today. It looks so beautiful, so we will show you what it looks like. It definitely looks incredible though.
What do you think of the whale sharks, babe?
Look at the pool!
What do you think of
Can
the
you
whale
see that?
sharks?
Whale sharks were so cool. They are huge in person.
So big.
So peaceful, such a graceful animal. It was so amazing to see. These are the pools and the waterfalls up there. Nath,
Yeah.
what do you think? Look at the waterfall! Look!
How good.
We've got our camera here, so if you want to see what photos we take, definitely head to our Instagram. See those. This falls has a few different pools, and then you got the main waterfall at the very top, which is absolutely huge. Nathan's taking some photos right now. Wow. Look at this. Definitely a tourist hotspot.
Alrighty guys, if you're wondering how we get such good drone footage, it's because we don't go by the rules. We chuck it up, they'll come over, the Philippines will come over and then tell us off and then we'll be like, so sorry. And then pretty much get the clips, get it down, and then we're all good. So, little tip. out. This is how they do the handrail. Woohoo! That's so cool. Woohoo! Thank you. Hello. Alrighty guys, we're at Snorkelling Island and check out the water. It is super clear. There's no fish around, but it's just pure glass ocean.
Wow.
Go back, yoo-hoo! How good is the island life? Love it. Go Corey!
Alright, we just arrived at Dale? How do you say it? Dale Falls. It costs us 200 pesos each, and so we thought it would only be just entry, but you had to pay government fees and stuff to get into this one. So that's what we did, and we also had to pay for a guide, which like you have no choice, you have to. But the trek through here is so beautiful, so it's a 30-minute walk to the falls and a 30-minute walk back. So I will show you what it looks like.
Oh yeah, they love the bucket hats.
So our guide's just given us a helmet because apparently there's falling rocks.
I feel like a Sparky again.
Back on the tools. The high vis. So steep.
We're at our last falls, called the Inabarkan Falls, and it's starting to rain, so we've got to be quick. It's been a long day. We started since 4 AM and now it's about 4:30 PM, so quickly go check it out and yeah, call it a day. Whew. To be honest, everyone's getting a bit tired, but now we're G'd up. Check this out. Woo-wee! Woo! That's so neat. Alright, let's go. Whoa! We're going in! Woo! That is good. Alrighty guys, that was absolute epic. Corey's got something to tell you about this waterfall.
If you've only got time to visit one waterfall in the Philippines, it's got to be this one. It's got rock jumps, mad waterfalls, blue water, sick view. This is the one to go for sure.
And such a vibe, so fun. We'll see you later guys, bye.
Hey guys, so it is a new day. It has been a super slow morning today, but we have finally headed into town and booked a tour to Pescador Island. So we're on our boat right now. Welcome to our boat. Welcome to our boat. It cost us, how much was it?
2,000 pesos per couple. Like 4,000 pesos, whatever that was.
Like $30 each? I think 4,500 for 4 people in total.
30 Australian dollars.
Which is roughly 30 Australian dollars. So we're going to go to Pescador, we're going to do some snorkeling, we're going to check out the sardines, the turtles, and a few other little things that we get to do on this boat. So we will show you what we get up to. Bye!
Oh my god, that was way louder than we thought.
Way louder.
Anyway, we're here. Guys, we haven't even jumped in and check this out. We're going under. Alrighty, of course it was me. Jump in, try to go real deep for a photo. Bang, massive jellyfish, just got stung. My whole body is so red right now, but life will keep moving on. The crew over here, some Philippine locals, they gave me a beer. I'm feeling so much better now, so time to jump back in and see what's under there. Corey! Hey!
This legend just gave us a beer. He's going to open it for me. Look at this view too, by the way. Woo! Can we open this one? Legend! Thank you!
I love Philippines!
Philippines! Woo! Alright, we made our way onto the party boat. The girls are back there. The girls are gone! The girls are gone! New friends! Woo! High five! Hey! Woo! Big fish!
Alrighty guys, Corey and me are back.
Ready?
We're safe, don't stress. A few rich Philippine guys just took us on a cruise of our life. But the girl's a little bit scared, but we came back safe, so that's alright. Anywho, we're about to jump in with sardines, and let's go!
See how many we can catch.
There's so many sardines down here. They're about 5 meters deep, so we're gonna have to go and dive real deep back. You ready?